Guys, and welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to show you how you can get turbo flutter on your car. Now there is a lot of different names for it. You've got turbo flutter, turbo dose, compress and surge and wastegate flutter, but we're just going to call it turbo flutter for this video, and this is how you're going to do it. So this is a factory blow-off valve. All this does is recirculates the boost pressure. That's not what we want. What we want is to block off the boost pipes completely with these blow-off valve blockers. Just put them in, tighten them up, and you're good to go. There's two, they're about £5 on eBay. This is the vacuum line. It is T-pieced off into a boost gauge that I've got inside the car, but you just need to make sure that this end is blocked with just a screw and a cable tie. And then any kind of pod filter will do. The less restrictive it is though, the louder the flutter. This is about £25 on eBay. So if you've done everything correctly, this is what it should sound like.